Hi, my name is Basam. I'm a marketing student, but also a normal consumer who buys beauty and skincare products. In the past 2 years, I started paying more attention to how brands behave, not only what they sell. Things like transparency, sustainability, and social responsibility now influence how I feel about a brand. L'Oreal is the one of the biggest beauty companies in the world, which means whatever they do has a huge impact. So instead of just listening to what they say in their booklet and video, I want to look at what their promises actually mean in real life. In this presentation, I'm not repeating their material. I will share my personal opinion where I think L'Oreal is doing well, where they fall short, and why these things matter to me as a consumer. When I buy something, especially skincare, I don't choose based only on the packaging or popularity. I think about three ethical things. First, transparency. I trust brands more when they clarity explain their ingredients and production process. If things feel hidden, I naturally doubt them. Second, real impact. I prefer brands whose actions, not just words, show what they care about waste materials and responsibility. Third, authenticity. Greenwashing is common, so I pay attention to whether a brand's action match its message. These values really shape my choices. For example, I use SK2 because they are they are very transparent about criteria and how their products are made. Their clarity feels honest, which matches what I value, so my ethical approach directly affects which brands I trust, what I buy, and where I spend my money. From my perspective, L'Oreal does have some genuine strengths. First, their sustainability goals are clear and measurable. They don't just say we want to greener, they set real targets for carbon neutrality, materials, and community support. That makes their commitments feel more serious. Second, I appreciate their social impact programs, um, especially those supporting women and disadvantaged groups. As a woman, I see this as meaningful and not just marketing. Third, they are improving their packaging. I've noticed lighter bottles, more recycled plastic, and refill concepts. It's not perfect, but because L'Oreal is so large, even small improvements can create big change over time. And overall, I like their message, beauty that moves the world, to me. It suggests beauty is not only about appearance, but also about values and impact. So, from a branding and communication perspective, I think they are heading in a good direction. Of course, there are also areas where I think L'Oreal falls short. The biggest issue for me is the scale of production. There, they produce so many products that even with better materials or energy use, environmental pressure is still huge. This feels like contradiction to their idea of respecting planetary boundaries. Another issue is that their packaging promises don't always match what we see in real life. They're talking about recycled and bio-based materials, but stories I rarely see refill systems or strong recycling options. The actual consumer experience still feels very buy, use, throw away. I also see greenwashing risk. Their sustainability communication is beautiful and emotional, but sometimes it seems ahead of their actual results. Modern consumers can sense this gap. And finally, their supply chain is extremely complex. Even though they promote living wages and responsible sourcing, I'm not fully convinced that every supply worldwide follows the same standards. That uncertainty weakens their ethical claims. Overall, overall, my view on Lauren is mixed but slightly positive. They are clearly making an effort. Their goals are structured. They invest in social environmental projects and they are improving their packaging and production. These are goal, these are all good signs. But but I don't see them as fully ethical yet. True ethics would mean addressing overproduction, being even more transparent, and making sustainable choices easier for everyday consumers. So many conclusion is mm, L'Oreal is genuinely trying and they deserve credit for that. First are first, but as a consumer, I'm still watching what they do, not just what they say. Thank you for watching my video.